you? Matt? Huh? Where'd she go? Matt? Uh-oh. Wait, where is she? Matt? Hello?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello? There you are. Boo! Do you want Edgar in there? I don't think he's going to get in there with you. Come on, Edgar, get in the suitcase. Come on, get in. Come on. Oh, good boy. Come on, get in. Come here. Oh, he's too big. Come on. Come on, Edgar. Right here. Come on, get in. Come on. Oh, there he is. Good boy. Honey, he's not going to fit in there with you. Oh. Bye-bye. Oh, Edgar's such a cute boy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Alright, lay down, goofball.